Good morning, all of you. Welcome to the next class. I am going to discuss about ASEAN lesson 12. So before going to discuss lesson 12, I would like to ask you some question about exercise 11. Yes and no? So in the last class, we have already discussed about the topic the wise hair. So what is the question comes from that topic, the wise hair? The first question is, did the lion live in a jungle? Did the lion live in the jungle? Jungle re lion ba singh rohutla ki? Yes, the lion was lived in the jungle. Yes, the lion lived in the jungle. Did he kill many animals daily? सबुदिन से प्राणी मानक मारी खाई दुथला की? Yes, he killed many animals daily. Why are all the animals afraid of him? बनर सबु प्राणी माने बा पशु माने ताको डरुथले की? Yes. Did the animals go to him? प्राणी माने पशु माने ताको पाखु जाइथिले की? Yes. The animals go to him. All the animals. What did they propose? से माने कौन प्रस्ताव देले? मु खाली क्वेश्चन रो आंसर बुझे दोची ओडिया गुडा सब तमे सब घरे बसिक ताको टेक्स्ट बुक रे अछि सब ता क्वेश्चन आंसर से उडी को करिकरी देखेबो मत स्कूल खुलले. Did he agree with them? सेमन ताको कथा राजी हेले की? एग्री माने राजी हिजबा, एकमत हिजबा. Did he come to the lion very late? नहीं. What was the old hare like? किपरि थिला? वृद्ध ठेकुआटी किपरि थिला? किपरि थिला means wise, बुद्धिया थिला. से ताको जो लाइन पाकु डेरे जाइथिला की? Then was the lion angry? Was the lion angry means सिंह रागी गला की? रागी जाइथिला? Yes, the lion was angry. Answer कौन होगा? Yes, the lion was angry. Then did the hare tell him for his late? से काहे की लेट रे आसिला? सीता कारणटा कहिला की सिंह को? Yes. The hare told him for his late. What did the lion want? कौन चाहतला? से lion टा कौन चाहतला? Where did the hare take him to? सिंह को नहीं करी से ठेकुआ कुआड़ी जाइतला. What did the lion see in the well? से ताको well पाकु नहीं गला एवं से well से कौन देखिला? सिंह से well रे बा से कुआ रे कौन देखिला? What did he do then? तापर से कौन कला? जतरे को चाहि देला तापरे से कौन कला? सिंह कौन कला? Did the animals praise the hare? सबु पशु माने से ठेकुआ को प्रशंसा कले की? What do you learn from this story? एई गल्प तुम कौन सिखिलो? एई सब जो गल्प एते उडा पढिले हमें ए गल्प विषय ए गल्प रु हम कौन सिखिले? मोरल थी कौन अछि भीतर? ठीक अछि. ये सब होची एक्सरसाइज 11 क्वेश्चन रो तार ओडिया माने को बुझे देली. तमे सब से टेक्स्ट बुक भलो पढिबो, पढि कि ताको आंसर करि करिवो. नाउ come to the next point. Lesson 12. We are going to discuss about lesson 12. मार रीडिंग करूछ भलो भाबरे सुनो, तापर घरे तुम सब पढि कि अभ्यास करिवो एको. नेक्स्ट एको हम पढिबा. स्कूल को आसले मत जन जन कर पढ़ा दबा. Going to. The teacher has a piece of chalk in her hand. She is going to write on the blackboard. Rama is holding his pen. he is going to write a letter. The old man has a bouquet in her hand. She is going to bring water. Shiv is making a kite. He is going to fly it. Hari is opening his English book. He is going to read it. The man is going to climb the tree. Madhuri is making her bed. She is going to sleep. Okay, this is the reading of lesson 12. How I read the lesson sentence, how I pronounce the word, how I complete the sentence. These are the for you at your home. You practice it well. Now we found out the difficult word from the topic, from the lesson, which is the difficult word. Then we discussed in Odia. Okay, a piece of chalk means gote khand chakhadi, piece of chalk. Then write, tame janche write man likhiba blackboard kala pate re holding. Holding, hold माने कोन, hold holding is hold माने धरिबा, hold माने धरिबा, holding धरिछि, hold a ball, holding a ball. Write a letter, write में लिखिबा गलो women has a bouquet. Bouquet means B U C K E T, bouquet, B U C K E T, bouquet माने होछि बाल्टी. घर समस्त थिबो bouquet. She is going to bring water. Bring माने कोन, B R I N G, bring, भार आनिबा. Bring माने आनिबा, bring, brought. A bouquet of water. Bring a bouquet of water in her hand. Bouquet माने बाल्टी. Bring माने आनिबा. Make. She is making a kite. Make means M-A-K-E. जानिछ तुम सो make. आगो क्लास में सो पढ़ा है very easy word, not difficult word for you. Make means तैयारी करिबा, बनेइबा, प्रस्तुत करिबा. आउरी इंग्लिश रे बहुत माने अछि, तमे सब गोटे गोटे माने जानि जाओ. ऊपर क्लास माने करे आउरी वा इंग्लिश रे जो वर्ड अछि मेक मान तयारी करिबा, पुनी आउरी तयारी करी इंग्लिश बिल्ड माने निर्माण करिबा, बिल्ड, मेक. ओके, मेक रो पास्ट टेंस कोन, मेक, मेड. Fly means उड़ेबा. ओके, fly in the air, बायु जो काइट उड़ा जाए on the air. In the air, he is going to fly it. Open and खोलिबा. Open is English book. Going to read माने पढ़िबा, to read. Going to climb the tree. Climb means, this is another difficult word for you. C-L-I-M-B, climb. C-L-I-M-B, climb means to ride. चढ़िबा, ऊपर को चढ़िबा. चढ़िबा, right. Then Madhuri is making her bed. Make माने तैयारी करिबा. Make माने तैयारी करिबा, आगु कोइ छेले make. Making a kite, making a bed. Making her bed means बिछना सजाड़िबा जोटे कहूछ. तांको बिछना से सजाड़, she is going to sleep. Sleep माने सोइबा, से भी सोइबा पई जीवो. Sleep, S L E P, sleep, सोइबा. Okay, so this is all about the difficult word for you, some difficult word for you. you write on your note khata and practice at your home. Next class we will discuss about exercise 12 and lesson 13. So till that, thanks all of you and goodbye. Meet you next class.